In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use recurring tasks in Todoist, the complete guide. Harnessing the power of recurring tasks can be a game changer for managing your workflow efficiently. Let's dive right in to understand how you can set this up and make the most out of your Todoist app. To start off, open your web browser and navigate to app todoist.com. This is where all the magic happens. Now you'll need to enter your Todoist credentials to log in. On the login page, you'll see a place to enter your registered email and your password. If you're not a fan of typing credentials each time, you might opt for convenience by clicking on Continue with Google, Continue with Facebook, or Continue with Apple. It's entirely up to you and you can choose whatever is most convenient. Once logged in, let's create your first recurring task. On your Todoist dashboard, there's a button labeled Add Task. Click on this button to get started. You should see a blank field where you're prompted to enter the details of your new task. This is your canvas. Feel free to type in the task name. The trick here is to include the recurrence phrase directly in the task title. For instance, suppose you need to send a newsletter every week on Friday. Type in Send Weekly Newsletter every Friday. The beauty of Todoist lies in its intuitive design. As you type, the app will automatically highlight the recurrence phrase in red, confirming that it has recognized and understood your input as a recurring task. One of the most beneficial aspects of recurring tasks is their automation. Once you complete a recurring task, it automatically reappears in your list on the next scheduled date, keeping you organized and on top of your schedule. If you ever find the need to change the repetition pattern, it's as simple as editing the task. Just open up the task details and adjust the recurrence phrase within the title to fit your new needs. Todoist elegantly displays upcoming recurring tasks, making it straightforward to keep track of your schedule at a glance. They'll be clearly labelled with their next scheduled recurrence date, ensuring you're never caught off guard. There you have it, a simple yet comprehensive guide on setting up and managing recurring tasks in Todoist. With these steps, you'll be better equipped to handle your tasks efficiently and productively. Thanks for watching and happy task managing.